Welcome. Today we're diving into how to view all shared videos in a Telegram web channel using your PC. If you're looking to find fun clips or informative videos shared within your favorite channels, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to web.telegram.org. This will bring you to the Telegram web interface. If you haven't logged in yet, simply enter your phone number and the verification code to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your chat list and channels on the left side of the screen. Next, let's find the channel you want to explore. You can either scroll through your list of channels or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the one you're interested in. Once you've found it, click on the channel to open it. Now that you're inside the channel, look for the channel's name at the top of the screen. Clicking on the name will open the channel info page where you can find various details about the channel, such as its description and member count. In the contact info section, you'll see several options. Look for the one labeled Media. Clicking on this will take you to a dedicated area that displays all the videos shared in the channel. This feature is incredibly useful because it allows you to access all the visual content in one convenient place, rather than scrolling through countless messages. As you browse through the media section, you'll see thumbnails of each video, making it easy to identify the ones you want to watch. If you're searching for something specific, take a moment to look through the collection until you find the video that catches your eye. When you find a video you'd like to view, simply click on it. The video will open in a player, giving you a larger view and allowing you to enjoy it fully. You can pause, play, or even download the video if you want to keep it for later. This makes it super easy to enjoy all the fantastic content shared in the channel. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to view all shared videos in a Telegram web channel using your PC. This straightforward process ensures you can easily keep track of all the video content within your favorite channels. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Telegram and other platforms.